Hammond Park. Open. Oh, thank you.
You literally brought your camera.
Yeah, I brought my camera. Oh my god, that's
Are you
really
gonna be
loud.
vlogging?
Yeah, this is my vlog. Look at that bird.
Feature on your vlog.
You want to be featured?
Why not?
Hold on, the bird is the main character right now. Yeah.
Make me famous.
Look at that bird. Wait, sorry. I'm like, I got a degree in environmental science, so like, I love nature.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I make environmental studies actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
Do you know what that is? Would you be able to tell me?
Put your head through and get a photo of kangaroos.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
We have the three of us.
He's a baby.
This is actually really nice.
Very peaceful.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice.
On the weekends, families down here.
Yeah, like
barbecues
picnics.
Well, I must admit, I haven't been here for years. So.
Oh.
Are you learning lots in your environmental study classes?
Yeah.
I guess. Like,
I took a soil class this semester.
oh yeah? Was
So
that fun?
It was actually really fun.
I
It was very
actually-
interesting.
I took some, like, there's required geo classes that we had to take,
Yeah.
and I really enjoyed geo. I thought it'd be
Yeah.
boring,
Yeah, yeah.
because it's like rocks, but
Yeah.
once you like learn about them, you're like, wow,
Yeah, like the science
that's so
behind it.
Even a
cool.
chook.
Ah!
There's peacocks down here too.
We had its brother for dinner last night.
R.I.P.
What a typical idea.
Wait, what are these birds called? Do you know? They're like gray with the pink.
Oh.
Do you know what they're called?
Cockatoos.
Cockatoos. Okay.
Oh, the one
Pink,
like on
sorry, galahs. Sorry, galahs. Pink
Galahs?
Yeah, galahs,
Pink gala?
yeah. You see the
Okay.
ones, the black and white ones?
Yeah. What are those? It's my camera.
There's actually a sign. I think there's some.
Oh, signs over there that.
That's got names and that on them.
Okay. Yeah, we could go check those
The
out.
chook might come and get you.
Hey, a chook is coming.
He's mad that you ate his brother last night.
It was delicious. We had some for lunch today as well.
Very tasty.
Yeah. So,
There you go. These are all information about kangaroos.
oh.
There was definitely the Western grey.
Red kangaroos, the biggest one.
It's a wallaroo. Red kangaroo, goldfields kangaroo.
Wow, there's about 50 species of kangaroos and wallabies. I did not know that. That's a lot, actually. So yeah, there's definitely the... How do you pronounce this? Wallaroo?
Wallaroo.
Wallaby? Oh, wallaroo.
Wallaroo.
It's a type of
Euro?
euro.
Oh, he's come so close.
After the bird. Ah.
I know,
Bird, the
that's all
female
right.
teammates again. The gorilla like does not do that. It must have been so boring.
Where's his friend?
You guys ate his friends, his family.
We ate one of his friends.
Just one.
Just one. But we might get another one today.
Oh, the emu sign. Oh yeah, way down there there's...
Wait, wasn't there like a Rima? Wasn't there like a humans versus emu war and emus won?
What?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I had no idea.
there was once a war between emus and humans.
Like the emus just teamed up?
Yeah, humans teamed up to fight against the emus,
And who won?
and not the humans.
Not the... What?
Yeah,
How do they... What? Is this real?
yeah, it's on Wikipedia.
Whoa.
Legit.
That's really crazy.
Yeah.
Do you guys learn about that in school at all?
No.
I feel like that's a story they should teach in school.
Oh, I mean, I grew up in Hong Kong, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, I didn't grow up.
Yeah, this seems like a really family-friendly place.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Like barbecue.
Peacock down there. Bird. Really good, yeah.
Yeah. Well, luckily we have peacocks back home for some reason.
Yeah?
They're not they're just feral
Okay.
peacocks,
Oh, these
but they're always pretty to look at.
Yeah. Especially when the tails come out.
Yeah, they're all quite majestic.
Chuk chuk.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
how is it just walking around like in the park like
Well, I guess there's no one here, so yeah.
Three of them, yeah. There's one each for you.
Yeah. Oh my god, look, there's the emus on the other side of the fence.
Oh, that's so funny. Oh, she's gorgeous.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Saying hello. Hello.
Only in Calgary. Hello.
It's over it. Hello. Oh my god, it's so classy. Hello.
Well, it's the one over here that was talking.
Hello.
Oh, look, there's the emu.
Hello. Hello.
There's a kangaroo there too.
Hello.
Can you say something other than hello?
Bye bye.
Oh my god, that was... How are you doing? It asks how you
How are you?
doing?
How you doing?
How are you?
Yeah, that's really good.
Crazy.
It knows how to laugh.
How you doing?
Have a good day.
So this is sulfur crested cockatoo. This one's name is Cockatoo. No, Joey. Joey. This one's name is Joey. What's the other one's name? Joe.
That one's Mecca.
Maka.
I am very talkative with my favorite word being hello. Sometimes I will dance if you say the phrase, dance cookie, dance cookie, dance cookie.
How you doing?
Can you whistle?
Dance cookie.
Dance
Dance cookie.
cookie. Dance cookie.
Dance.
Oh,
All right. Okay. Okay. Thanks, mate. Yeah.
Dance.
It's just
Dance cookie. No, it's hiding.
Where you going? Hey.
this is like playing peekaboo basically.
Come on, Joe.
Oh,
Hello,
now
Joe.
that one is saying
Come
hello.
on, Joe.
Joe.
What's the name of that one?
Macca. It's Macca. You didn't think that you'd be doing this today, did you?
No, I did not. This is such a pleasant surprise.
We've got to get the Asian girl down here.
Oh
I
yeah.
said to her, I'll bring her down.
Yeah.
The boys would enjoy it too, actually.
Yeah, I think they would a lot. Because this is quite different to like anything we'd ever see.
Are they actually saying hi to us?
I'm just trying to say like hello. When people walk past us. Hello!
How you doing?
How you doing? Oh, oops. I bite.
I bite. Which one?
Chukar partridge. So these are all the guys that are in here, right? I guess. Hey. Oh, there's the partridge.
Status is least concern.
There is the partridge. It's just chilling. Yep, that's the partridge.
Oh, hello.
Little Corilla.
Hello.
Oh, ringneck
Hello.
pheasant.
The peacock is the best bird of India.
Oh, that one just did a poo.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's still going.
Hi.
That one's
Oh my
going.
god, see you.
He just doesn't want to feel left out, I guess.
Look at this bird, like, it looks like his hair is like slicked back.
Hello.
Dude, that one's really
one?
good.
It looks like his hair.
Oh, yeah. He's got the mohawk.
Yeah.
He's got the little mohawk.
Alright. What are these guys up here? Yeah. Just hanging out. They're so cute. Okay, so we got the peacocks here. Oh my god, what is that? Whoa! Are those one of those the snake eating birds? I feel like it is. Like, look at those claws on its feet. Looks quite spiky. It's so pretty. What the heck? And there's the other one up there. Just munching. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, there's some budgies. Budgies over there. No, budgies. Parakeets. Then I don't know what the green birds are. Hello. Won't focus. Oh my god. Wait, what is this? Look at those ducks, they're so pretty. Look at their face. Their face is different. Oh my god, that's a baby? Oh, look at it! That baby's so cute! Oh my god! Oh wait, where did it go? Be aware of snakes from October to March. Well, it's June. What? Oh, wait, that's not a real one. I was like, no way! And they have that here too? False alarm.
Peter told us to get you.
Just got excited for no reason. Oh my god, look, there's pelicans! What? Look how big they are.
How come are no flamingos?
Maybe it's too cold right now? I'm not really sure.
They hibernate.
No, I think they travel. Like,
Oh, like the water.
ooh, look at that duck slowly
Yeah.
waddling. Oh, it's drinking water right now. I have no idea what kind of bird that is. That's so cool. And there's chickens. Maybe it's like an ornamental duck or something. Just like these chickens are ornamental chickens. Like, look at that guy with that hair. That nice hairdo.
Look, the pelicans only flew in today.
Oh, really? I saw some pelicans in Biga. That's quite cool. I love how, well, its eyes are under the fold.
This one goes, I want attention too.
I love how their like face is just so wrinkly. They're all like this.
That's my grandpa.
It's like your grandpa. Yeah? I wonder what that means in their language.
Yeah, like she's trying to have dialogue with you.
Well, you know how they say that like all these animals have like their own like dialects or like, yeah, in their languages too. Yeah, which is so cool. I mean, it makes sense because, you know, just like from their region. And when they hear like the dolphins speaking to each other and stuff, like different pods, they all have their slightly different dialects. Whoa, this one's so pretty.
Oh, yeah. Rosella.
Whoa.
Hello. Bye.
Just doesn't speak. Oh, sorry. Pale-headed Rosella.
Whoa, they have an average lifespan of between 15 and 36 years.
So this is a long time. Wait, which one's that? This one?
Superb parrot.
It's because it could like live for so long. A superb parrot. You're so pretty. What is this? Australian ringneck. Hello. Oh, that one chirping away. Who are you speaking to? Now we got the scaly-breasted lorikeet. Oh, look at how tiny they are. Nom nom nom. Oh, now it should focus. Okay, next up we got the red-caped walking parrot. Whoa, sorry. Oh, let's see. There he is. Look how pretty he is. It's crazy how like they've evolved to have these colors and like color patterns. Is there anyone in here? No, no one's in there. Like they're just like
So clean, really.
random. Sorry?
So clean.
Yeah. Sandra parakeet.
Is that a like video camera or like photos as well?
It takes photos as well. Yeah. Rainbow lorikeet. Oh, this picture's so cute.
Yeah.
When will the vlog be published?
Probably in a couple months from now. Because I'm quite slow at putting vlogs together. Because the ones I'm working on right now, I took from the Bega Open. So from last August.
Can't rush these things.
No.
Quality.
Yes, quality. No, it's actually like, I'm really happy with how they're turning out right now. They're quite, I don't know, I'm having fun putting it together too. Now when you like say you have like a favorite type of bird, now I'm gonna be like, I don't know, whip out one of these colorful guys.
You just go back around that by the fence line to see how close those kangaroos are.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh wow.
Do you think these are like, no, these are not the big ones. Because the big kangaroos are like huge.
Medium. I feel like.
The medium, not the large ones, but the medium ones.
They're not quite doughy,
Yeah.
No, I think this might be like the golden
Or maybe.
something. And then that's like the gray.
Coming.
It's the gray one.
She's massive.
Oh my god, hi. Yeah, give me attention.
Yes. Oh, look at her, like, looks like she's got eyelashes.
Their eyelashes are so pretty. The camera keeps focusing on the fence instead of the animals that are like on the other side. What the heck? Oh my god, is it making that sound?
What?
Like the low, like bloop bloop, like it sounds a bit like a drum.
No.
I think well, not right now, but I think it was making the sound.
Oh, look, it's jumping.
She's so calm.
Hello. How are you? You're so pretty. Look at you. You're so gorgeous. I bet you when its neck is like straight, it's definitely taller than me. Bloop, 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 bloop. I swear I was making that noise. There's so many kangaroos here. Look, there's like some. There's one there. There's one back there. Oh! Oh, hello. Hi. I don't have any food for you. You said the sunset?
Oh, look,
I don't think it's setting yet, but it's probably setting soon.
the jumping.
Oh, the kangaroo? There's the tail?
But they don't jump very far.
No, they
They
don't.
jump a few times and then they don't.
They're like tired.
Hello.
I think they need some stamina.
You're so pretty too. You look so curious.
The emus come so closely with you.
Oh no, it's actually kind of scary because you don't want to be too close to them. Oh, she's scratching her feathers.
She's preening herself
I think this is her shower.
to look gorgeous. Wow, so cool. That's really neat. I didn't know they would be so like bold coming up to the.
These would be used to people, like.
Yeah, definitely.
There's a big one.
How big are like the big kangaroos? The ones that they're like.
Above 6 foot.
Yeah, they're massive, right?
You wouldn't argue with them. Well, you know.
That's so nice that you guys have this. So cool.